So once again, welcome to School Coaching Point. So today we will discuss the question: if a and b are two odd positive integers such that a greater than b, then prove that one of the two number a plus b by 2 and a minus b by 2 is odd and other is even. So in this given question, a and b are the two odd positive integers. To find out the answer of the given question, first of all you should know how to express a odd positive integers. So we know that a odd positive integers can be expressed in the form either 2q plus 1 or 4q plus 1. So odd positive integers can be expressed as either using the expression twice q plus 1 or 4q plus 1, where q is a positive integer. So in this case, a and b both are the odd positive integers. So solution: so given a and b are odd positive integer. So if a and b are odd positive integers, therefore a equals to 4q1 plus 1, where q1 is a positive integer, because we know a odd positive integers can be expressed in the form 4q plus 1. Similarly, b is also odd positive integers, therefore b equals to 4q2 plus 1, where q2 is a positive integer. So after writing a and b, now we have to find the value of a plus b by 2 and a minus b by 2. So first a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2. So a means 4q1 plus 1, b means 4q2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 4q1 plus 4q2, so you can take common 4, q1 plus q2, and from here 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So here 4, then plus 2 divided by 2. That means each term of the numerator can be cancelled by 2, because here it is 4 q1 plus q2, and in the second term it is 2, and in the denominator 2 is there. So you can cancel each term of the numerator by 2. So after this step we can write 4 q1 plus q2 divided by 2 plus 2 by 2. So 4 q1 plus q2 divided by 2, so here we can cancel 2, it becomes 2 q1 plus q2 plus 2 by 2 means 1. So 2 q1 plus q2 we can write as twice q dash plus 1. So where q dash is equals to q1 plus q2 is a positive integer. But twice q plus 1, this is an expression of odd positive integers. So after simplifying, that means after finding a plus b by 2, in the last step we have seen it becomes twice q dash plus 1, that means in the form twice q plus 1, and we know twice q plus 1 is a expression of odd positive integers. Therefore, a plus b by 2 is a odd positive integer. So similarly, we should find the value of a minus b by 2. So a minus b by 2. So a minus b by 2. Exactly same process. A is 4q1 plus 1 minus b means 4q2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 4q1 plus 1 minus 4q2 minus 1. So here 1 and minus 1 you can cancel. So 4q1 minus 4q2 you can take common 4. So q1 minus q2. So 4 into q1 minus q2 divided by 2. So you can cancel. So it becomes twice q1 minus q2. So it becomes twice q dash. So in this case, q dash equals to q1 minus q2. And in the last step, after simplifying, we have seen it becomes twice q dash. So twice q dash means it is of the form twice q. That means when a number we can express in the form twice q, it becomes an even number. Therefore, a minus b by 2 is even. So just repeat the step. Since a and b are odd positive integers, so it is given a and b are odd positive integers, and we know that a odd positive integers can be expressed in the form 4q plus 1. So therefore a equals to 4q1 plus 1. Similarly b is also 4q2 plus 1. So first of all we should find the value of a plus b by 2. So a plus b by 2 is equals to 4q1 plus 1 plus 4q2 plus 1 divided by 2. So after simplifying, in the last step we have seen it becomes twice q dash plus 1, and we know that twice q plus 1 is the expression of odd positive integers. It means a plus b by 2 is a odd positive integers. Similarly, we should find the value of a minus b by 2. So putting the value of a and b, the last step becomes 2 into q dash. 2 into q dash means it is of the form twice q. So when a number we can express in the form of twice q, it becomes an even number.